Damn, sorry, y'all.
What's the matter?
Just hay fever.
We're going to work from there, so we're multiplying this out. 3 times 3 was that? We got 9, right? 9x minus 6. The 6 is going to become an 18. That's minus 15. That's going to stay negative. So it's negative 6 times 2. Negative 6 times 2 is going to go to 12. 2x minus 30. So let's multiply that whole thing out.
Hey, are you okay? You look super unwell.
Minus 30 equals...
No, really bad. Okay. All right, I asked.
We're looking at the side of this equation. Remember 30 down. 18. We're going to add that over the other side. We're ending up with 3x minus 48.
I have been in this position so long.